Split systems. Step 1. Turn the Wine Guardian system off at the remote interface. Step 2. Remove the side access panel at the condensing unit. Step 3. Locate the high-pressure switch in the electrical section above the compressor. Push the reset button to reset. Step 4. Reinstall side access panels. Step 5. Turn on unit at the remote interface. Step 6. Temperature and humidity will display on the screen. The thermostat will be flashing temperature with an exclamation mark above it if the cellar has warmed up past 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. The temperature side and exclamation mark will remain flashing until the temperature drops below the high temperature alarm. When the actual temperature is lower than the high temperature alarm, it will stop flashing and the exclamation mark will disappear. For further guidance, please reach out to service@wineguardian.com.